Have you ever started a load of laundry only to come running back because it sounds like somebody threw a couple bricks in the spin cycle? So this week on Fix It Friday, I'm going to be replacing the stabilizer springs that mount the washing machine tub to the frame. This is my Kenmore Heavy Duty 70 series. It's the same washing machine that a few episodes ago I replaced the agitator dogs in. So hopefully after I do this, it'll be the last that I have to deal with this thing. The reason I'm doing this is the other day we started a load of laundry, and once it got to the spin cycle, it sounded terrible. It sounded like somebody had threw a couple bricks in the spin cycle and it was just banging around. So I came down to check on it, and the load that was in there, the load of clothes, it was evenly distributed, because a lot of times if you load it too heavy to one side, the tub will bang around, but this one was fine. So I started looking a little deeper, and the springs that hold the tub to the frame were really weak and worn out. So it was causing the tub to be able to shift back and forth a lot more than it was supposed to. The first thing we're going to do is unplug the power, because we don't want to risk getting shocked while we're messing with water and everything. Then we're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the two screws that are holding the control module on. After you get the two screws removed, just pull forwards on the control module and then lift up, and it'll tilt back. And it should be held on with two little brackets there. Then unplug power cords. They just snap together. Then take a flathead screwdriver and stick it in the very front of this metal spring here and push back on it, and the spring should come up, so it'll be loose like that. And do that on both sides. And that's going to release the back from the rest of the washing machine housing. So after you get the springs removed, open the lid and reach inside, and then put your foot down at the bottom and lean it back. And the case will separate from the rest of the frame. And then you can just pull it away and set it off to the side. Once you get the casing off, underneath the tub, this is on the left side, there's a spring here, there's another one in the front, and then another one on the opposite side where this one is. So there's three in all. But you're just going to take a pair of pliers, grab the end of the spring, pull it towards you, and it'll come out of its little groove here. And then it'll just lift out of a little holder up underneath the tub. And you'll take the new spring and put it back on just the way it came off. It doesn't really matter which way it goes. It's made the same way in both directions. You just take one end of it, hook it underneath here in the holder, and grab your pair of pliers and pull it out so you can get it on to the tub. And there you go. Just repeat that process on the other two, and then you can put your casing back on and good to go. You can see there is another spring back here. It's longer and made different, and it didn't come with these three when I bought it, but as far as I can tell, it doesn't hold as much of the back and forth as it does just holding the tub up and down right. So I'm not going to replace that one just yet, and see how just replacing these three smaller ones do. Remember, click here to subscribe to my channel. Click here to see the previous Fix It Friday episode. Click here to see the next Fix It Friday episode. And click here to visit my channel homepage. Well, what are you waiting for? Click something.